Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, your #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today we're going to be doing a full body HIIT style workout. Transformers, let's go.
I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind.
Our first exercise, we're going to be doing some hammer press with the reverse step. Ready, position, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Press straight up. And as you press, you're going to breathe out and then you're going to step back. Make sure those elbows are tucked in right underneath the weight. You're going to press straight up to the ceiling and back down. Okay, keep it going, guys. Keep that core tight the whole time. Every time you press, you're gonna breathe out. You're gonna feel those shoulders burning. Good. All right, almost there. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right. Weights are gonna be by the side. We're gonna be doing some squats. You're gonna squat down and then we're gonna squat up. You're gonna push the floor away from you. Keep those shoulders back, keep the chest up the whole time. Ready? And let's go. Good. We're gonna strengthen the legs here. Every time you press the floor away from you, you're gonna breathe out. Press and breathe out. Good. Keep it going, guys. Doing great. We got 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work. We're gonna place the weights down. We're gonna run on the spot for 45 seconds. Stay light on your feet. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, and butt kicks, 45 seconds. Stay light on your feet. We're gonna pump the arms. Keep that heart rate up. Let's get a little sweat today. Nice work, you guys. 30 seconds. Good, 10 seconds hard. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work. All right. Grab a mat. We're gonna be doing some floor exercises next. Good. We have a 30-second break and then we're gonna go floor exercises. If you need to grab some water, you can. We're gonna be lying down. Our first exercise, we're gonna be doing some dead bugs. Make sure your back is nice and flat. Make sure that core is engaged. Arms are gonna be up like this. Legs are gonna be up. My right hand and left leg is gonna go down while keeping your back flat. We're gonna come up and then we're gonna alternate sides. Right arm and then left arm. Ready, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Dead bugs. We're going a total of 45 seconds. Make sure that back is nice and flat. Find that coordination. Right arm, left leg. Left arm, right leg. Every time you come up, you're gonna breathe out and breathe out. You're doing great, guys. Keep it going. We're almost there. Let's get the arms a little lower, less than 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. All right, our next exercise, we're gonna hold a hollow plank. Your legs are gonna be up like this, knees straight, arms are gonna be up, and then we're gonna hold that plank for 45 seconds. Push that lower back into the floor, engage the core the whole time. Let's go, we got 45 seconds. Both shoulders down, legs are gonna be straight, arms are gonna be straight, and we're gonna hold. Good, if you're doing it right, you should really feel that core working. Try to engage the core and breathe at the same time. Push your lower back onto the floor. If you feel like your back is arching, it probably means your legs are going too low, or we need to strengthen that core a little bit more. We're more than halfway there, guys. Less than 20 seconds. 10 seconds coming up. Let's get the arms and legs a little lower. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work. We're gonna flip over into some mountain climbers. Hands underneath the shoulders, and we're gonna drive the knees up right here. Ready? And let's go, 45 seconds. Okay, keep the bum down, keep the head back. Okay, stay nice and strong here. Sprint on the spot. Keep the head back, keep the bum down, keep the core engaged. All right, 20 seconds. Let's turn it up, let's go a little quicker. Ten seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. That's right, guys. All right, standing up. It's also a quick little breather here as well. If you need to grab some water, take a quick stretch, you can. Yeah, nice. So let's go ahead and let's do a quick little stretch. You're gonna grab your ankle here and pull. Other side, grab and pull. All right, our next exercise, we're gonna be doing a side leg raise. You're gonna be standing on one leg, lift your leg out to the side and back down. Try to keep your outside leg off the floor the whole time. 45 seconds, let's go. Okay, as you lift, breathe out, slow on the way down. Try to keep this leg off the floor the whole time. Up, breathe out and back down. Find that balance. You're gonna feel those glute meads working. We're gonna strengthen the glutes, strengthen the hips. Okay, work on that balance. Keep that chest up the whole time. Common mistake I see is doing a side bend like this. You wanna be upright the whole time. Very nice, guys. Okay, keep it going. Almost there, 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, other side. All my weight is gonna be on the right leg. I'm going to lift my leg out to the side and back down. Ready? Find that balance, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep that chest up. As you lift the leg up, you're gonna breathe out. Lift up and breathe out. Good work, guys. Okay, try not to rush here. Don't just let your leg drop down. You want to control on the way down. Oops, balance. Up, and then control on the way down. Nice work, guys. Feel those hips burning. We got 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we're gonna finish off with some speed squats. You're gonna squat down and up as fast as you can. We're gonna pump the legs. You're gonna be maximizing this last exercise of the day. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna squat down and up as fast as you can. We're gonna pump the legs. Make sure you're sticking your bum back. Stand up tall. Squeeze your bum. As soon as you come down, straight back up. These are not slow squats, these are speed squats. Go as fast as you can. Down, up, and breathe out. Yeah, pump those legs. Nice work. All right, we're more than halfway there. Let's speed it up, guys. Doing great. Legs should be burning. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Great workout today, guys. Thanks again for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me. I'll see you in the next workout.